The LG 18,000 BTU Window Air Conditioner with heat is a powerful and versatile solution for keeping large spaces comfortable all year round. Designed for rooms up to 1,000 square feet, this unit handles medium to large bedrooms, living rooms, basements, or apartments with ease. One of the standout features is its dual functionality as both an air conditioner and a supplemental heater, making it perfect for cooler days when you need extra warmth. To operate, it requires a 232-08 VLCDI plug, ensuring safe and reliable performance. The unit offers 2 fan speeds for both cooling and heating, giving you precise control over the airflow and temperature. The digital control panel and included remote make adjustments effortless, and the 4-way air deflection allows you to direct the airflow exactly where you need it. For added convenience, the unit includes a 24-hour on-off timer, a filter light reminder, and a removable, washable filter to maintain clean and fresh air. Installation is straightforward with the included kit, making it easy to get started right away. This model is built with usability and efficiency in mind. Its auto restart feature ensures that after a power outage, the unit resumes operation at the previous settings, keeping your space comfortable without manual intervention. With its clean, bright white design and compact dimensions of 30.5 inches deep, 25.5 inches wide, and 16.8 inches high, it fits neatly into most window spaces while blending seamlessly with your interior. Although it carries a SEER rating of 2.8, the performance is impressive for both cooling and heating large areas quickly and effectively. Its 5.7-pint capacity ensures sufficient moisture control, adding to the overall comfort. Whether you're tackling hot summer afternoons or chilly winter evenings, this LG 18,000 BTU window unit delivers reliable, all-in-one climate control. It's ideal for anyone looking for a powerful, easy-to-use, and flexible solution for year-round comfort in a medium to large space.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.